dominance in the city's remarkable contest to bring it through the estate of the government service you have the ministry provided your people inspiration, strength, and encouragement who will do
kaya ka
Magbidyohan mo, Drew! Ay, tabi tayo dito.
Tanging naninibago dito sa puso ng mga Pilipino ang pagmamahal kay Kingdom Café at Gala Liga. Ay naman kontribusyon sa mga ng Pilipinong Pilipino. Congratulations Kingdom and Marian at sa Remo Foundation sa pagkilala sa inyo bilang the best of the best box office phenomenal stars of Philippine cinema at popular love theme for movies ng 2024 Box Office Entertainment Awards. We are proud of you. Lux Beauty and Wellness is in one with the Guillermo Foundation and the entire Philippine entertainment industry in recognizing the achievements and contributions of all the crown royalties in the different categories of the Box Office Entertainment Awards 2024. You have made Philippine entertainment alive again as it continues to reach greater heights in the local and global scene. Congratulations and thank you for giving quality entertainment and inspiration to many Filipinos worldwide. Cheers from Lux Beauty and Wellness Group. Lux exit button very well. Identify which emergency exit to use.
Kumalma lang kayo. Kumalma kayo para hindi kayo mapagalitan.
Marshals are there to help us.
Wala na inaano na.
Ito po nga muna tayo. Dali po mag-uumpisa na po. Dali po
mamaya na daw.
Wala na po tayo.